Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as Houston News. Today is February the 17th, 2021. We're going to get all the very first price prediction for Quantumscape. We're going to cover this particular market to see if the price is going to increase from this particular price level. And if so, should you come in and purchase this particular stock right now? Before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel because it's our main purpose to ensure we are giving you all information to make sure that we are all in position to capitalize on the anticipated price movement. All right. So this is our first time doing a stock price prediction for Quantumscape. We're going to look at this particular market right now. You guys can see it's up 9.68% today. And now, do you still expect the market to go higher from where we are trading at? Let's take a look at the price chart real quick. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify some areas of restriction. The first one that we're going to see is right there around $60, right? The market in Quantumscape has seen restriction previously, specifically right here on, I would say, 13th, 14th of January 2021. And then it held support back there on December the 14th, 2020. It was acting as restriction on December the 8th, 2020 as well. So $60 is real important for us to pay attention to. We got to keep our eyes focused on what occurs around $60. Next, the area of support is right there around $48.50 all the way back down to $40. Okay, ultimately $40. So long as the price in Quantumscape trades above $40, we will be expecting continuation of movement of trading sideways and then anticipation of higher price. All right. Now, let's look at this market in Quantumscape on the 3-day time frame. You guys can see that the last completed 3-day price bar is right there close to earnings. You guys can see earnings came in on February 16, 2021. Estimated was going to be around negative 0.06 cents. It was actually negative $2.35. Okay. So they're not making any money right now in Quantumscape. In fact, they're bleeding money. But you guys can see that the market is still up 10.5%. That's why we don't pay attention to those type of earnings reports, because the market does not utilize that information at all. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this on the 5-day time frame real quick. You guys can see here, not too much has changed. So what we're getting, the current environment in Quantumscape is the market consolidating. All right, we're seeing that consolidational trading range occur between $60 and $40 as support. The prime opportunity to come in and purchase Quantumscape is around $40. Here we are. You guys can see it right here on the weekly time frame that last completed weekly price bar was very good to see. We have 2 days and 5 hours left. If we conclude this current weekly price bar above the close from last week, we will be expecting the market in Quantumscape to go higher in price. The only thing that is in its way is $60. That is it. From there, we can see this market in Quantumscape come all the way up here towards $74. Okay. Monthly time frame. The monthly time frame in Quantumscape looks pretty well. We have 9 days and 5 hours left in the market for Quantumscape. And one thing that you all can see is that from the last 2 months, January as well as December, we've seen an enormous amount of volume, right? That pushed this particular stock down. Well, now we're seeing the market hold support around $40. The volume is not even there, neither for the month of February. We have 9 days left and 5 hours. Unless that volume increases substantially within that time frame, that is a very good indication that that $40 area is going to be maintained as support. All right. So let's look at this on the hourly time frame and let's see whether or not this particular market in Quantumscape is a buy at the moment. So looking at this on the 15-minute chart, you guys can see here that we are understanding and seeing how mostly buyers are trying to come in on the 15-minute price chart. Again, support is coming in around $55 on the minute time frame. Okay. Now, looking at this on the minute time frame, the market in Quantumscape cannot break this area right here, which is around $51.16. $51 and 15 cents. Okay. So looking at this back on the daily time frame, we will be expecting the market in Quantumscape to give us a little bit of strength in this particular market. Only concern is $60. That is it. You guys can see from the restriction standpoint, we've seen this market in Quantumscape hit that area and come right back down. And then actually, I'm still seeing a weakness on these hourly time frames as well. So we may actually see this market really hold consolidational trading in the long term as I'm looking at this further. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. This is going to be our prediction into the market for Quantumscape. Let's go ahead and play this. We're going to play a long position into the market for Quantumscape on this prediction. And we've already established that $40 is support. So we're going to hold that market there. And the restriction is at 60. So again, we will have to skim off a little bit into the market in Quantumscape around 60, which is around 6.31% profitability in that. Okay. So we will skim off a little bit there. I'm going to bring this down just a tad. Okay. So around $67, we also TP the market there in Quantumscape. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit more towards $75. Okay. So we're going to play this out into the market for Quantumscape. This is our prediction, our forecast into the market. If you all see something totally different, which is fine, let us know. Leave us a comment in the comment section and display and let everyone else know your thoughts, your price prediction for Quantumscape. And that's it. Make sure you always maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Trade different.